Got it. See student, now we have to see one very interesting topic. It is called as the torque. Acting on electric dipole due to uniform electric field. So let's see, initially we just will take a uniform electric field. Students, uniform electric field in the sense they all electric field lines are parallel to each other. One more thing that we have to understand, what do you mean by the torque? Torque is nothing when force acting perpendicular to the any surface, then this angular force is called as the torque. For example, when we open the door, then we apply the force perpendicular to the door, and then your door is going to be open, then this force is going to be considered as the torque. See, actually when we apply the force, then object will displace from the one place to the another place. When we apply the torque, then object will move or it will rotate on a same axis. So angular force we can consider as a torque. Suppose in this uniform electric field we put the dipole like this. Here suppose we have a positive charge, here we have a negative charge. Again the distance between them, it's A. We are going to be consider the A. So the total distance is 2A. Now due to this electric field, the force acting on it and force acting on this charge is F is equal to E into Q. Am I right? Same at here, the force acting on this F is equal to E into Q. But here both force have a opposite direction. Both force have a opposite direction and the same magnitude. So it will give little bit displacement. It will give a little bit displacement. So let's see that here we can write down the torque. Then torque is equal to force into perpendicular distance between them. So here the perpendicular distance, if we are going to be take like this, if the angle is going to be formed at here, it's a theta. If the angle is going to be formed at here, theta, then this perpendicular force is given at here. This is going to be considered here A, here B, and here we have a C. Got it? So one angle here we are going to be considered this theta, sorry. So this AB we can say that the perpendicular distance between these two forces. So torque tau is equal to F into perpendicular distance we are going to be considered at here AB. So if you take theta means sine theta, then is equal to AB upon this is AC, where AC is equal to 2A. So AB upon 2A. So AB is equal to 2A sine theta. Can we write like this? So here torque F into 2A sine theta. Here F is equal to what? F is equal to E into Q. We already know that the force due to the electric field, F is equal to E into Q. So torque E into Q into 2A sine theta. So here torque tau is equal to 2AQ E sine theta. We already know that this 2AQ, it's electric dipole. So P is equal to 2AQ. So we can write down that torque is equal to P into E sine theta? Yes or no? So what is the formula of torque? That torque is equal to PE sine theta. So here we can write that torque PE sine theta. When we remove the sine theta in form of the vector, it is the P cross E. We already know that cross product is given by the sine theta. Here we have two options for theta. If theta is equal to 0, if theta is equal to 90, and if theta is equal to 180. So if theta is equal to 0, then torque become 0. If theta is equal to 90, then torque become maximum. Means here torque is equal to 0, here torque is equal to P into E. And here torque become negative or minimum. So it's become minimum. Torque is equal to minus P into E. So in this manner, there is a three different value we can write for the torque. Okay.